अगर अभी तक आपने हमारा YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो उसे सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को ज़रूर दबाएं ताकि हर आने वाली रेसिपी आप सबसे पहले देख सकें।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are making very delicious, easy and tasty kids-friendly recipe which is French toast with some amazing chocolate sauce. So let's get into our video, but before that make sure to like and subscribe so that we make more videos. So now let's get started. Hi everyone. Today we are making chocolate French toast. You all seem to like our previous recipe, which was club sandwiches, so we decided to make another recipe with you all, that is chocolate French toast. So make sure to try these recipes, and maybe we're gonna try to make spring rolls next, so stay tuned. Let's move towards our ingredients. We are going to take 5 slices of breads. Next we are going to take half cup of milk, liquid milk, and half cup of sugar. It is as required and it is up to your taste. Next we are going to take 2 pinches of cinnamon powder and 2 pinches of vanilla powder. You can also take vanilla essence if you have that, and a mixing bowl and a mixing spoon. Now we're going to test the ingredients for our chocolate topping. So the ingredients are
liquid milk,
half cup of liquid milk,
cocoa powder,
1 tablespoon,
and icing sugar,
half cup.
Now we're going to crack the eggs in a bowl, and 3 eggs, and now we're going to mix it. Then we're going to mix it. Then we're going to put our first ingredient, and that is liquid milk. Then we're going to add sugar, cinnamon powder, and vanilla powder. If you don't have vanilla powder, you can also use vanilla essence. Now we're going to mix it thoroughly. And you should be careful about that the sugar should be dissolved and the lumps shouldn't be formed in the eggs, and and it should be smooth. Now we're going to mix it very thoroughly.
Now meanwhile our pan is heating a little bit. We are going to take our mixture and we are going to pour it in a flat shallow plate, because we are going to dip our bread in it. We are going to take our bread and we are going to dip it slightly like that, and add oil in our frying pan, and like that we are just going to keep it on the, as you can see we are soaking this here. Make sure you keep moving the French toast bread because we don't want it to stick on the pan. Just keep moving it and do not overcook it. As you can see, this is the color we want. You can give this to children as well in school lunch boxes and other events. It is really, I'm topping it off here with the chocolate sauce we prepared. It looks really delicious and tasty. And now you can vary with the toppings. I also added some thick honey onto it, and it looks so delicious, to be honest. And I know that it's super healthy as well. You can vary with the toppings. You can add fruits. You can eat fruits with it. I also added some butter. You can do anything you want. Make sure to like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.
Delicious!